This is Vijaya from Vijaya's videos. As many friends of mine wanted grammar classes, I just thought of starting with nouns, the basic grammar in English language. Actually, English language is very easy. Only thing, we must learn the grammar properly and also we must put it into practice. So today, because many insisted for grammar classes, I thought of starting with noun. So nouns are of varied kinds. So first let me introduce you what is a noun. A noun is a word which denotes, actually I'll give you the definition for it, a word which denotes the name of a person, place, animal or thing is called a noun. After knowing the definition of a noun, I'll just give you all the types of the nouns. There are 5 main types. Along with that, I will add countable nouns and uncountable nouns also. Proper nouns, common nouns, collective nouns, material nouns, abstract nouns, countable and uncountable nouns. Every day, I will just give one noun for you to know it better. But I don't have board to teach you. Along with the board, it will be very easy. But listen to the video again and again, and you can do it very easily if you listen to it many times, I say. So let me start with the proper noun. Actually, what is proper noun? A proper noun is a word which denotes the name of a particular person or place. That's all. First, you should remember it talks about a person or place. Only those 2 words are the key words for the proper noun. So, I have started with noun. I have given you the definition for a noun, and I have also told what is a proper noun. Proper noun only talks about a person or a place. That's all. So, usually we start a sentence with the capital letter. But when you are going to talk about a place or a person also, even if it is in the middle of the sentence, you have to put capitals. That is very, very important because proper noun starts with the capital letter. Please remember that. Now I'll give you 2 sentences where you have to understand it. Sunil is my favorite actor. Sunil will come with the capital S. You may say, I am putting capital because it is the beginning of the sentence. It is not only for the beginning of the sentence here, it is also a proper noun. So please understand that. Next sentence is, she is Rekha and she is smart. In this sentence, she, the first she starts with a capital because every sentence starts with a capital. She is Rekha. Again, the word Rekha also starts with the capital R. That is because it is a proper noun. And of course, you have to end the sentence with the full stop. I am going to the next example. Kanjipuram is famous for temple. Again here, the word Kanjipuram, it comes in the beginning of the sentence and starts with K. It's not only it's the beginning of the sentence, it is also a proper noun. So please understand, a name of a person or place, if it comes in the middle of the sentence or in the beginning of the sentence, it starts with the capital letter, and that is because it is a proper noun. Hope you follow today the proper noun. If you like it, you can subscribe. If you want more basic grammar classes, you can follow it up. Tomorrow, I'll continue with common noun. Thank you. See you.